Welcome to the Chris Money Show. This is Chris, once again talking about money, and today I'm talking about Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, it's out of control here. Peter Schiff, Michael Saylor, Michael Burry, all these people. Can Bitcoin go to minus $32 like oil did? It might. You think so? What would happen to MicroStrategy if Bitcoin went negative? I have no idea. But Peter Schiff, he's not predicting that. He just thinks that MicroStrategy is he's gonna weigh in on something that doesn't pertain to gold. But maybe it's like we got to fight gold because fights Bitcoin because Bitcoin versus gold. You know, this thing. Awesome. Let's watch it happen. Michael Burry, here you are again, talking about algebraic trash of NVIDIA's stock-based compensation plan, diluting earnings. Yet CNBC trots on people after people, but person after person that's going to say that it's a 22 PE. You need to buy it. Because the last time it was 22 PE, it did nothing but bottom. I mean, at $4 trillion market capitalization, it's just going to continue to be a $40 trillion company, $50 trillion company, $200 trillion company, the most valuable company in the solar system. My cat's trying to get it. Peter Schiff. Backside room back here. Peter Schiff is trying to tell you about this, and Michael Burry is trying to tell you about that because these guys got a good trade right one time. I got a good trade right one time, but I don't get to go on TV or go any kind of anything and get talked. I don't care. I'm here to trade and make money. Don't care. Bitcoin, would it go negative? Would it go to, I mean, there's always more of it. There's always more dollars. I mean, the argument is that there was always going to be less of it and it was a stable thing and it was outside government control. What does government control really mean with money anyway? Because it's a bunch of greedy bastards running it. It was just a bunch of greedy bastards running everything else anyway. So is it any different? I don't know. Spock, come in. We have to find out. The market likes to have vigilantes. Vigilantes like to go in and they like to beat stuff up and picket scabs until they're gone. It's no different than the Wall Street Bets crowd. The Wall Street Bets crowd got into GameStop and AMC, pieces of crap companies, and just piled in and piled in and piled in until the sellers couldn't handle it anymore and they just couldn't keep it down. They can't keep anything down. They can't keep anything up. When there's too much day on one side, it's supply and demand. Realize that. Use it to your advantage. Watch the volume. When it goes crazy, is it going to last? Is it going to last? Because the average volume by the end of the year might still just be the average volume, and it might just get soaked up into one little teensy week. Beyond Meat going crazy right now, up 17% this morning pre-market. Should you buy Beyond Meat? Do you want to make money? Hop on, hop off. That's what people do. The Scab Market. Pick up the scab. That's the vigilantes. The Fed only controls the very short-term rate. They do not control the long end of the curve. So if people are going to sell and sell and sell bonds, they're going to have higher and higher and higher rates. So what's going to happen? You're going to have higher stocks and higher rates maybe because people are jumping out. The bond market dwarfs the size of the stock market, by the way. It's many trillions more. The debt market overall. Nobody even knows what exists anymore because we've got private debt. We've got private everything. People are just determined to make as much money as they can, any way they can, in the shortest amount of time possible if they can. That's it. Anyway, that's all I got today. We're watching Michael Saylor, Peter Schiff, Michael Burry, Bitcoin under attack over the Thanksgiving holiday. Maybe it was easy to attack over the Thanksgiving holiday because people are too busy watching football and eating. I don't know, but it's a theory.